Hello everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. Today we're diving into a fundamental method used in arrays, the length method. Let's jump right in. So the length method in JavaScript is a powerful tool for determining the number of elements in an array. It's as simple as calling the .length property on an array. So let me show you here. Here we have an array of people: Larry, Stefan, Matthew, and Lucas. So to actually check the array's length in the console, for example, we just need to type the array's name and use the .length property. As you can see, when we console log this, it will say 4. So it doesn't count from the index 0. It just counts all of the elements in our array. We have here 4. If I delete this string, we'll have 3. So see, by appending .length to the array's name, we retrieve the total number of elements within that array. So guys, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on using the length method with arrays in JavaScript. Remember, mastering this method is essential for effective array manipulation and management. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tips and tutorials. Happy coding!